Video, I'll be explaining how to create a production cost chart. So here's the template that we'll be using. Fixed cost, variable, total, marginal revenue, total revenue, and profits. In order to create this, we need to know some of the basics here first. In this assignment, this information has been provided for us. So a fixed cost does not change if it's 1 being created or 100. So we can automatically put this 45 straight into this production cost and put 45. Now an easy way to make things move quicker on this production cost in a spreadsheet is if you notice there is a little box in the bottom right hand corner. If you drag that down, this one here, it's going to automatically copy it and paste it all the way down. In this next one, we need to know what are the variable costs, and those have been provided for us. So it goes 5, 8, 10, 15, 5, 8, 10, 15, 25, 50, 80, 120, 50, 80, 120. So now we have our fixed costs and variable costs. What we need to find next is total cost. The way we do this is by adding a fixed cost plus variable. So we need to put in a simple formula. We need to go equals. We need to click on the fixed cost of 45 plus the variable cost of 5. So what this tells us is that in order to make one product of something per hour, it would cost us $50. Okay? So we are going to drag this formula down again. Now this provides us information. If we want to produce 3 or 5 or 7, it tells us how much it's going to cost us per product per hour. Now we need to find next is our marginal cost. In order to find this, we would take the previous cost versus the new cost that we have. So let me show an example here. So for this first one, we're going to provide the answer for you. The answer is going to be 5, and we'll get to that in a minute here. For this next part, what is the additional cost to make one more product per hour from 1 to 2? The way we calculate this is by going equals, we're clicking on our total cost, we're subtracting from the previous total cost, and we would find to make from 1 to 2 products per hour, it would cost us an additional $3. Now we can copy this formula all the way down, and then this provides some valuable information for us. Our marginal revenue, this is how much we would sell the product for, is going to be $30. So we just put $30 in here. It doesn't matter if we're producing 1 or 100. We are going to charge $30 per marginal revenue. Now total revenue, to find this, is pretty simple. All we're doing is we're going to multiply our marginal revenue times, which is shift 8 for that star, times 1, $30. Copy this formula all the way down. And so if we sold 2, we'd make $60 in revenue. If we sold 3, 90, and so on. Now, profits. How much are we actually making? And this is also pretty simple. All we're doing is going equals. We're clicking on our total revenue minus our total cost. And we'll find out, okay, if we only produced 1, we would be in the negative minus 20. So, copy this formula all the way down, and this will provide us information. Now that we've completed our production cost chart, we would be able to answer the questions on the other documents. Also, this is just a video to explain how the production cost chart works. If you have any questions, please let me know.